This boy is working in the morgue when suddenly he hears the sound of a baby crying. He is surprised and starts looking around, unable to figure out where the sound is coming from. He breaks open a locked room and finds a coffin with a woman and a baby buried inside. When he opens the coffin, he sees the woman struggling with death, and the baby, along with some money, is left as an inheritance. The boy watches them, then approaches, but quickly runs away. He doesn't have children of his own, so he starts raising the baby with a lot of love, playing with her and caring for her as she grows up. One day, the girl is playing in the park with her mother. While playing, the girl hides behind some plants, and her mother looks for her. The boy, who has been following the girl for years, takes the opportunity to kidnap her. He forcefully puts her in his car. The girl's mother sees this and starts shouting for help. Suddenly, her father arrives with a bike, and they both chase the car. The man takes the girl to a deserted place and is about to harm her when her father arrives and rescues her. The mother calls the police, who arrest the man. The girl is scared, but her parents comfort her